All right, guys, we just got to our second job on this Friday, March 21st. It is March 21st, right? Let me make sure, guys. Yeah, March 21st. So this is a job that I came out to. He did pay for a consultation. This is Mr. Hicks. He got some residue on the floor, so we're gonna go with a screen and recoat. It's like almost 480 square feet. Guys, almost 2.5 hours to get from Ackworth to where were we? Duluth. All right, but the good thing, I'm only about 20 minutes from my shop. Unbelievable. So anyway, guys, let me flip this around and show you what we're going to be doing today. So we are in Duluth, Georgia. I've actually worked, done numerous homes in this neighborhood. So show you guys, and actually I booked 2 new consultations today for people that are moving in. Again, we are going into the business season. This is where a lot of people move and buy homes. So anyway, guys, we're gonna keep this door. Let me kind of show you. So I just got my trainee taping off all the carpets. This is what we do when the wood floors flows into the carpet. So anyway, guys, if you look close, see all these scuff marks? See all these scuff marks? There's some type of residue on the floor. See all these scuff marks, guys? All throughout this floor. Let me zoom in. See all that? See all that? All right, so there's some type of topical product going all here through the kitchen. You see all that? All right, so we're gonna rough this floor up really good, get this floor nice and smooth. The client wants to go with a semi-gloss finish. And yeah, so as you can see, it's not a big job. So just this kitchen, this hallway, and then this foyer area. All right, guys, I'm about to start bringing in the equipment. All right, y'all, same job today. We'll have tomorrow. Just have fun. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Just a man for today. Did any color correction? No, I think guys, been over just my job, get a job. Oh, yeah, man. I got to go for it now. So I'm ready to 7. This one's 2 and 3 for conversation. And yeah, I'm already on the way. And that's what it is. All right, thank you so much. We're getting a good vacuum. I just went and mixed up the finish, going with Pro Coat Aqua Pro semi-gloss. Client wants a little gloss to it, so we're going to be going with the semi-gloss. So we're doing a vacuum. As y'all turn around, you cannot see any of those scuff marks now. All right, and then we're going to clean and tack and get the coating down. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Again, this is a semi-gloss Aqua Pro. Now, again, Chuck does sand floors, so he's very familiar with this roller. But he said I spoiled him with that 14-inch roller. All right, guys, stay tuned. Nice. All right, guys, we are done. These floors came out amazing. Man, look at that. So I want to let my client, the homeowner, the missus of the house, come down and check it out. Oh, this looks so good. No more scuff marks, no more. Oh man, let me zoom in, guys. You remember at the beginning of the video? Look at that. Come on down and sit. Tell me what you think. It looks nice. Yeah, you come on down. You can look at the kitchen. Uh-huh. Yep, to walk on. Yeah. Yep. Oh, yeah. Look at that, guys. Beautiful. That's beautiful? Yes.
Looks brand new.
All right.
Oh, yeah.
Yes, ma'am.
Satisfied. Thank you.
Thank you. You're welcome. Thank you. All right, guys. Client's happy. No more scuff marks. No more scratches. Nice, beautiful semi-gloss finish on the floor. They didn't go with the UV cure, so Mr. Hicks, the mister of the house, I told him just move the furniture back tomorrow afternoon. And yeah, man, this looks really, really good. All right, guys. Well, our day is done. We're gonna go get some dinner, get some rest. Chuck, great day today. We also have 2 projects tomorrow. We have a screen and recoat tomorrow, and also a clean and buff tomorrow. And all right, guys. Looks good, Chuck.
Looks fantastic.
All right. All right. Everybody's happy. See you in the next one.